Hello everyone, this is Mr. White, and this is ABC-chan. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Hi, today we are going to study PQR. 今日は PQR の勉強始まりましょうね。Are you ready, ABC-chan?
Yes.
Okay, まず第一。First of all, P は書きやすい。P is easy to write. Let's write big P. Okay, ABC-chan?
Okay.
Okay, boys and girls, 皆さんいい？ Okay, 書きましょう。Let's write big P. 1, 2, P, 大文字 P, big P. Please write big P. Good boy. Okay, small P. 書きやすい。It's easy to write. 1, 2. Boys and girls, 君たちも小文字 P を書きましょう。Boys and girls, all of you, please write small P. Thank you. Good job. うまくできたね。ありがとうございます。Thank you. P は何でしょう？どんな動物は P で始まるかな？ What letter starts with P? What word starts with P? Pig. P-I-G. Pig は日本語で豚ですね。Okay, let's say P. Pig. P-I-G. P-I-G. ABC-chan, can you say P-I-G? Pig?
P-I-G. Pig.
Good boy. Okay, pig. The next letter is Q. Q は書きやすい。Q is easy to write. I'll write Q and then ABC-chan, you write Q, okay?
Okay, Mr. White.
Thank you. Q, circle, and then put. Let's see you write it, ABC-chan. Good job. 皆さん書けますか？ Boys and girls, can you all write big Q? 1, 2. よくできました。You did a good job. Thanks a lot. Okay, small Q. 1, 2. That's a small Q. ABC-chan, can you write small Q?
Sure.
Good job. 皆さん、ちっちゃい Q 書いてください。Everyone, please write small Q. できましたか？ Did you do it? 先生に見せて。Show me. Thank you, boys and girls. Q. Queen. Q. U. E. E. N. 書きましょう。Q. U. E. E. N. Queen. Thank you. The next ABC is R. Can you say R?
R.
R is easy to write. 書きやすい。大文字 R. Big R. 一緒に書きましょう。Let's write it together. 1, 2, 3. ABC-chan, can you write big R?
Sure.
Good boy. Okay, boys and girls, can you write big R? 大文字の R を書けますか皆さん。じゃあ書いてください。自分のノートに。Write big R in your notebooks. 1, 2, 3. 先生に見せて。Show, Mr. White. Oh, I like it. I like it. Okay. R. R は何でしょう？わかった。I know. Rabbit. Rabbit is うさぎ。君たちはうさぎですか？ Are you rabbits?
No.
What are you?
I'm a little boy.
Okay. Rabbit. R. A. B. B. I. T. ABC-chan, can you write rabbit?
Sure.
Please write rabbit. R A B B I T. Good job. Boys and girls, 皆さん、君たちも rabbit 書けますか？ Can you write rabbit? R A B B I T. 書きましたか？ Good job. Good job. Thank you, boys and girls. Thank you, ABC chan. We studied PQR today. And next time we're going to study STU. Thank you and see you next time.